Hello, this is evening now in Tuntatuliak, Alaska, and I had messed up my first post this morning. I didn't have my glasses on, didn't add it up correctly, so here we go. This is Follow the Bouncing Ball. And it says we drop a ball from 160 feet. The ball bounces back up half its distance, then falls again. This is an estimated half the distance, and continues to do this. And we're to stop at the 5th bounce. And so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. The game here is to add up the drops, total them up, 160, bounce back up to 80, 40, 20, and 10. Those were the up bounces. Excuse me, that was the actual drops. So we're at the drops. So it went down 160 feet, check. Came back up 80, went down another 80 feet, bounced back up to the 40, check. Bounced down, dropped down 40 feet, bounced back up 20 feet, check. To drop back down the 20 and bounce up the 10. We total those points, and this is where I went wrong this morning. We have the 0 column, we have the 6, the 4 is 14, 4 is 18, the 2 is 20, and the 1 is 21. Carry the 2. Right there is where I messed up. And I have 2 plus 1 is 310. I had all kinds of scores. I think I had a 400 and a 220 somehow. So now, those were the drops. Now we have to have the bounces. How high did it bounce? And we total those up. So it bounced up 80. Up was 80. It bounced up again 40. It bounced up again 20. And it bounced up again 10. Okay, we have those down. Plus the 160. And we totaled it again, because I had messed up the first time. I'm going to triple check. Here's a 6 and a 4 is 10. 8 and 2 is 10. And we have a 1 left over, so that is 21. We carried the 2. We have 2 and 1 is 3. Okay. And this is bounce. Okay, we had the bounces. We have a bounce of up of 80. We have a bounce up of 40. We have a bounce up of 20. And we have a bounce up of 10. And again, we total these up. And this one I probably got right. We have a 10 right there, and we have a 5, and that's 15. If I got those correctly. So we have, let me follow again. Bounce up, bounce up, bounce up, bounce up. So we should have 4 numbers there. And on the number, the downs, we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And over here we had 1, 2, 3, 4. And we total the 150 and the 310, and we get 460 feet because we dropped it starting out at 160 feet. So this is to follow the ball all the way down, up. Each bounce was half of its distance of the drop, and we have a total of 450 feet. This is a quick, half the time video. Sorry for the mistakes on the first one. Thank you very much.